How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly import or upload Excel files in Monday.com. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Monday account as an administrator. So if you guys are like a manager or the owner of the account or have admin privileges to make some edits or configure the projects and whatnot, then this should be a very easy thing to do. So first thing you guys need to do is, like I said, is once you're logged in, you want to navigate around the dashboard, and then you want to look for the profile icon. So the profile icon is normally found at the top right corner of your screen, like so. So it's this one right here. So you guys want to click on this as normal, and you'll see under the account tab, you'll be met with a bunch of different options. So there's my profile, email settings, import data, automations, and whatnot. So from here, you want to click on import data, and this little window will pop up, and right away you'll see that there's an option to import an Excel sheet from Microsoft Excel, or basically any spreadsheet file. So from here, you guys want to click on import any Excel sheet to a new board, like so. And now you'll be uploading a file directly from your computer over to Monday.com. So it's honestly that simple. So you have the added flexibility to add some templates to the uploaded Excel or a CSV file, as Monday.com has some integrations to make them more organized. So if you guys were to upload, let's say, a sales report, then Monday.com would do something like organize them by adding dates and fixing them in alphabetical order, adding tags and labels to them and whatnot. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.